Success is not an accident. It's usually the result of hard work, patience, perseverance, courage, optimism, faith, and many other things. But for me, these are six of the main qualities you need to have to be successful. And we shouldn't forget that success depends on the person. So for one person, being successful means you have to have a building of 20 levels or whatever with luxury cars. For someone else, it could be to be the best mom in the earth and be present for your children and for your husband and everything. And we really need to pay attention to what we see around us in social medias. Some people will sell you that success come easily like that. And even in my case, I remember before, when I was younger, I thought that success was for a certain type of people. You were born lucky, you were born in the right family, you had a calling, and this only you could do that. We have this, like, many are called but few are chosen. And yeah, many times I thought that we just had a little selection of people who had something to do on the planet, and people who would be successful, while the rest of the people would just be followers and admiring those people, and that's it. But with my research on success, I discovered that many of the successful people are actually normal people who just worked hard and been patient and persisted, and they had the courage, they had faith, they were optimistic about the work they were doing, they were passionate about it. So if somebody comes and tell you, you're not going to be successful because where you are now is where you will be in 20 years, that's not true. You can change your life right now, at this second, just by making the right decision.